Hey there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install an LRB trunk plate. Basically, it makes a nice flush finish for your trunk. They just came out with these, and I was thinking about selling them, and I decided I might as well get one first and see how it goes. So you get to see my dirty ass trunk, and I'm gonna just go ahead and put these in. And probably do a vinyl design on them later, so I think that'd be pretty sweet. Like a wood grain or a black matte finish or something sweet like that. So I'll give you a look at these and what all it comes with, and comes with instructions and all sorts of stuff like that. So alright, walk out to this dirty ass car and check out my trunk. Honestly, be aware, it's not pretty. So yeah, if you're anyone like me, probably has a dirty ass trunk, needs it nice and situated. So the reason I got this panel was basically I have this subwoofer here that's, well, seen better days at this point in time, and I need to mount it to the bottom of this thing. I'll probably drill an extra hole and all that fun stuff. So we'll get this crap cleaned up and come back in a sec. Alright, so next step, I got this thing out here, put on all the foam stripping that's included so that it doesn't rattle around your trunk, because, well, that would suck. I got the trunk all cleaned out. Well, it's about as clean as that thing's gonna get. So luckily this will get it nice and cleaned up. But basically it comes with some different screw sets that will attach the wing nuts to. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in there now. Got a couple M6s and an M8, I believe. So the bigger of the screw sets we'll end up putting in there. We'll get that all nice and secured. And basically this is where the trunk mounts. You'll have one here, over here, and then further on will be back there as well. Alright, so I think the only thing that really caught me, gave me trouble with this step is installing this extra little screw right here. And basically they'll have another 10 millimeter bolt underneath that I was able to get to with a just 10 millimeter socket and a 10 millimeter wrench, and just tighten those two together. Not too bad. So I'm going to get this little side panel put in over there and show you the finish, put it all together. Alright, one more thing. I got my nasty ass subwoofer put back in. I'm probably going to drill two holes in the bottom of that little side piece over there and get that all nice and mounted up. Just wanted to add that in because this is kind of the whole purpose of why I wanted to include this thing. Yeah. Alright, so the finished product, that's that last step. This little thing over here, really easy. Just slipped right on in. Everything custom cut to go around. Honestly, I think this panel is pretty damn sweet. Adds a nice clean finish to the bottom. A lot better than it looked before, that's for sure. Thinking up all sorts of different ideas of what I can do with this, wrap it with vinyl or whatnot. One idea I had was like a nice wood finish to it. I don't know how that would come out, but we'll see. Or maybe just a nice matte black or something. Yeah, so I hope this video, made it look pretty damn simple. I think it was about half an hour start to finish, taking my time. Yeah, so hey, let me know what you think. If you want me to make any other videos like this, installing different products, or yeah, if you have any ideas that you want to see wrapped on this panel design, let me know. Comments below, Instagram, whatever. Alright, see ya.